you have so much fun. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm pretty excited right now because we are heading to go meet up with one of my friends. We're friends on Instagram. He lives in my neighborhood and we're finally meeting up because he has a super cool BMW M2CS. And as we know, that is the top of the line M2. You know, every auto journalist like absolutely adores this car. So I'm gonna be able to drive it today, and we're gonna go ahead and just compare it to my M4 and just really, you know, have fun with the car because I've never driven a CSM car, so this will be a lot of fun. I'm heading there right now, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Check that out, guys. There's the M2 looking super clean. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to check this thing out. All right, guys, so we have the M2 right here, and here is the owner, Alex. Hey. Him and I have known each other for a little bit now, but this is our first time meeting in person. You know, like I said, Instagram connected us and YouTube connected us, so yeah, we're excited to have the cars together and everything. You used to own an F80 M3.
Yeah, I had a 2018 F80 competition. Yeah, and, same color.
Same color as this, so he went ahead and got himself an M2CS, which is one hell of an upgrade, I must say. But yeah, guys, we're gonna hop in and kind of take a closer look in a second. Guys, so we're gonna have Alex kind of just break down what exactly the specs are on his M2CS. So if you want to just explain to them.
Yeah, sure. So it's a 2020 M2CS, Mazzano blue. It has the gloss black rims. I didn't end up going with the ceramic brakes for this one, but it has the red calipers that come with the regular steel brakes. Cup 2s. Not a ton of options with this car, unfortunately. It's pretty much all done for you. The thing I have added is this the carbon winglets, and I've done full paint protection film on the car. You know, a couple areas that I've doubled up on protection, especially on the roof up here, as well as the quarter panel down here.
Yeah, that's an important spot.
Yeah, this is kind of the high impact areas out here in Colorado.
Nice.
It has the CS tune, which has been plenty fast for me. And oh, I did this too. So I did the side markers, so they're paint matched. Those are the ends.
Yeah, got to get rid of that amber.
Side markers, yep. And then these carbon mud flaps just helps a little bit with the cup 2s and the rocks flying up against the car.
Right.
So, yeah, so the interior, I changed the shift knob. So I got the M Performance shift knob. The one that came with the car was kind of bulky. Wasn't really my style, so I ended up changing that a little bit. And then I did the pedals as well.
Oh, nice.
Pedals.
Very cool. Well, sweet, man. Yeah, this thing is awesome, and it's definitely a very unique car. I mean, it's really new, guys. This thing like just came out like not even like a year ago, so super excited to hop inside of it and we'll drive it and see how this thing feels. All right, guys, so we are in the M2. We're gonna have Alex take us for a spin and everything and show us a different thing. So first impression though is it's really spacious in here. Like, they did an awesome job at taking like the smaller body style and making it feel like pretty big and spacious in here. Like, the headroom is elevated. It almost feels like I'm sitting in my M4 right now, which is wild.
Yeah, I mean, coming from an F80 M3, I don't use the back seats obviously, but I can't really tell the difference much in terms of space in the front, just because of the headroom, like you said.
Yeah.
One thing I don't like about this car that you can turn off, but I have to like get used to it, is it does the auto rev matching. So as I change gears, it's almost like the DCT in a way. So if I go down the third, it'll automatically do the rev matching.
But that can be turned off.
Yeah, you can turn it off, but you got to turn off all of your traction control.
Oh, what?
Yeah, which I'm not.
They should have just made it like an easy little setting to...
They do now in like the G80 M3.
Oh, man. Wow. Oh, this thing's quick. That's no joke. I love manual transmissions, just the way they throw you around between each shift.
Yeah.
It's the best feeling.
Yeah, like I said, I mean, sometimes I miss the DCT. I mean, you can't go wrong either way.
No, you can't.
You just can't. But being able to just kind of roll the gears yourself, I mean, that's just something that's going away, you know?
Yeah. Wow, that was actually really quick, because it's basically a tuned M4 engine put in the CS, and it's a smaller car, guys, and they've done some weight reduction as well, so it makes that engine feel just more wow, like really gets you in your seat. All right, guys, so I am in the driver's seat. I am super thrilled to be able to drive just a CS car in general. So I love manual transmission, so this will be a treat being able to drive one again. And so I guess we'll just start it up. Nice. All right, going from the DCT into a manual. Let's see how this clutch feels. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Super easy clutch to work.
And you're probably going to want to turn this on. So.
Oh, yeah. That's good in sportiest settings.
That's usually what I run, is like Sport Plus on the revs, and then everything else is just Sport.
So Alex was telling me that he's never been a passenger in this car yet, so
yeah, it should be interesting.
We gotta show him what this thing, oh, there's that rev match, or perfect. We gotta show him what this thing feels like.
Yeah, it definitely feels different.
Jesus, brakes. That stops harder than my car.
Yeah, I read that online somewhere that I don't know if it's the M2 competition or just specifically the CS brakes in this car are a little bit better. Like, they have more pistons or something like that make it stop a little harder.
Right. Yeah, I definitely noticed that right away. I love this steering wheel, the Alcantara. It's a thick grip. So first impression, guys, it definitely like feels similar to the M4. I can tell that I'm in a smaller car. The wheelbase is smaller and everything. Yeah, it's definitely a special M car. It's definitely got some characteristics to it that just make you have so much fun with it.
It's like auto smile.
Yeah, automatic smile. Okay, guys, so I really like this manual transmission. The DCT is fun, but I don't know. This S55 paired with the 6-speed, it's just something that hits different, and it really changes the whole experience of the car. This is awesome, man. I can totally see why auto journalists love this car. I mean, I've only been in it for a few minutes, guys, and yeah, I think I'm in love with this thing. And this is on a CS tune?
Yeah, so it's just the factory tune.
Oh,
I think it's like 450 horsepower. I forget the torque number on it, but I can tell the difference right away from just the M3 comp I had. This was definitely faster.
Yeah. No, this thing would blow my M4 out of the water with when my M4 was stock.
And the nice thing about it is just having the peace of mind knowing you have the warranty. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, guys, this car has 2,400 miles on it, so he's got full warranty on it and everything, so he is perfectly set up with this thing. Do you have any plans for the crank hub in this one?
No, I think for this one I'm going to leave it alone. I thought about doing just the crank bolt capture that VTT makes, but just with the warranty, I think I'm just going to leave it alone. If something happens, you know, BMW can cover it. I think after the warranty period, at that point I can look at just doing the full solution and doing like the actual pin hub.
Right. Yeah, I mean, that's just always a quick and easy option.
Yeah, I mean, that's the only like real concern with these motors, you know. Other than that, they're basically...
Yeah, other than that, they're like bulletproof. Yeah, this clutch is really nice to work with. This would be like, I'm still a little notchy with it due to not driving a manual anymore, guys. Yeah. But like honestly, like this wouldn't be that bad in traffic. Some manual transmissions, you really gotta work and play with it. I really want to know what this thing is like on the track. Are you taking it on any tracks or anything? You did some mountain cruises.
Yeah, I usually do. I'll do canyon driving, and I mean, quite honestly, I mean, it's the best car I've driven in the canyons. I mean, comparatively speaking, and the only thing I have it to compare to is my M3 competition, right? But it definitely handles kind of the turns. I feel like whatever mile per hour I can throw at it, it's going to handle the turn on the car.
Yeah, we got a little turn right here. Wow.
It's just
pure
like,
confidence.
It's just pegged, yeah, like the confidence levels in the car and the turns is amazing.
Wow, that was truly a treat. Guys, I don't know, this really makes me like want to like say that this is probably the best M car there ever has been. All right, guys, as I'm talking, where I parked my car is closed off with a bunch of gates, so I'm trying to figure out how we're gonna get back to my car.
Did they just do that?
Yeah, well, what? All right, we're gonna drive around. So as I was saying, guys, I really do think this is like the best M car, like as far as like where the company's heading and everything. It's sad because they did so good with this car and now they're just heading downhill right now. I mean, if they would have kept going with what they did with this car, I mean, they'd be on top of the world right now. I'm really impressed by this car. This thing feels crazy compared to like my base M4.
Yeah, I mean, for me, just being a BMW guy for a long time, it's hard to believe that the same company released this car and then some of the newer offerings that they have. It's almost like two different brands.
Yeah, seriously. Awesome. Alex, I really do appreciate you letting me drive this car.
Oh man, I appreciate you coming out and recording the video with me. Always run into you around town, so it's great to meet you, and you know, I'm a big fan of your videos. So
I appreciate that. Alright guys, so we've got Alex in the seat of my car because he was super nice to let me drive his. I thought since he used to own an M3 with DCT and it's been so long that I'd let him experience it again.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, we'll take it around the block and have some fun with it.
Took me a second to get situated again. My left foot didn't know where to go. For
yeah,
a second.
that's hilarious.
Yeah. Just the transmission comparison is so different, man.
Yeah.
The shifts are so quick.
Yeah,
but
definitely.
to me, it feels just as fast as my car, to be honest, like just the pull.
Yeah. No, being a passenger in your car and then coming back into this one didn't feel too drastic.
No, yeah, no, I would say it feels just the same.
Yeah. Awesome. That's why I need to get my full E85 custom tune. Yeah.
Like I said, you can't go wrong with either one.
No, they're both great transmissions.
Yeah, you can tell.
We'll hit anti-lag on this turn.
Yeah, it just puts you back.
It was in first gear. Let me try second gear anti-lag.
cartoon, like they're so like linear.
Yeah.
Like that makes it feel more like the old school, like turbo, like
yeah, just instant right
yeah,
there.
just instant, put you in your seat.
So yeah, that's anti-lag. It's gonna be crazy on upgraded turbos, but. Alright guys, so as you all know, the channel is called Automotive Therapy, so we do ask the people we feature, how are cars a source of therapy for you?
Yeah, so I think for me, just, you know, whether I'm having a bad day at work, at home, if I have any kind of like stressor in life, I can always rely on this to put a smile on my face, you know, and just going out and driving in the mountains or on the freeway and just kind of being thoughtless for that amount of time is one of the things that has always attracted me to cars. On the flip side though, you know, I think sometimes we invest so much like time, energy, money, and even emotions in some cases to these cars that if something goes wrong with the car, sometimes that can induce like stress and anxiety on you. So, you know, it's always a balance, but for me, like just having this type of car just helps me, you know, deal with just the stressors of life.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like it's our best friend. You can always go to it, have some fun with it.
It's always there. Yeah, I know she's going to be there.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
At the end of the day, if I want to go have fun or put a smile on my face, I know I can get in the car and go. And
yeah,
you know, sometimes significant others don't always accept that or recognize that.
Oh, I know how that goes.
You know.
So, well, awesome, man. Well, that was a cool answer. Thank you. All right, guys. So I just got back home from driving the M2CS. Guys, I love that car so much. Being an M4 owner and driving a car like that, it definitely, you feel more of the track side of it. It's more of a raw experience, especially with it being a manual transmission and the shorter wheelbase and everything. So had a lot of fun with that. Yeah, so super cool to hop on a M2 like that. Well, that's gonna end the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.